Hi, welcome back to another video. Today it's actually 8 o'clock in the evening, and I am starting to make vanilla. I wanted to get this done tonight, so tomorrow I can finish it. I bought these vanilla beans. They're a pack of 25 off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below if you're interested. They were actually quite cheap, in my opinion. I've bought more expensive vanilla beans in the past, and I am needing more vanilla. Plus, I'm gonna put some in these fun little containers that I have to give away as Christmas gifts. I'm gonna take you along on the process on how I do this. This process actually is a little bit new to me. This is the first time I'm doing it this way, and I wanna compare it to how I've made vanilla in the past and see which one's stronger. Okay, so what you'll need for this project is I'm using an Instapot. I'm going to be putting water in the bottom of the Instapot, and then I'm using mason jars, my lids, my rings, and I have an 80 proof vodka, and then you'll need a knife and a cutting board. And let's cut these guys open. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, well, I already screwed up this video. I was showing you me cutting the vanilla beans and I wasn't recording, so I'm just gonna show you what I did. I have six of these pint jars, and I have just taken the vanilla beans, if I can get one out, and I've cut them down the center. And if you can see it, I don't know if it's gonna focus or not, but all those little black particles in there, that's the actual like vanilla bean in there. So I have 4 vanilla beans in each jar, and I have 6 pint jars, and then we're gonna fill them up with vodka. Okay, so to my Instapot, I'm gonna add a cup of water to the bottom. This is the before, and I'll show you the after tomorrow. I did put that rack down in there because you don't want them to touch the bottom. Okay, so I have my Instapot, jars in my Instapot, and I'm gonna set this for 45 minutes on manual, just the pressure, normal pressure setting. I think some Instapots, it's probably the manual setting. This one is the pressure cook. So I'm gonna do 45 minutes, and then I'm just gonna let it release naturally. And then I will be back tomorrow with how we're gonna jar them up for gifts. Okay, so it is the next day, and I put my vanilla through the process in the Instapot, and this is what we got. The difference between this and just putting your beans in like vodka and just letting them soak for months is this is basically usable immediately. So I wanted to do that because I am gifting this for gifts for Christmas, and I bought these cute little glass bottles that I'll put the link. I just got them off of Amazon. I've washed them, and they have lids, and then they have like almost like a heat seal. Let me grab it and I'll show you. So I'm pretty sure they have these little things that you like take the little thing off. I'm pretty sure that's like a heat seal, so I'm hoping I can use my hairdryer to seal these up. So, and then we have the lids that came with it. So I'm gonna open these up, and I'm gonna distribute the vanilla into the jars. I should have a little extra for me to keep. And then with the vanilla beans inside, I'm actually gonna evenly separate them out into there, so it keeps on soaking up the vanilla goodness. And you want those vanilla beans when you do recipes and stuff. So let me bring you in close, and we are gonna get these ready for gifts for Christmas. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Oh, and the reason you only see 5 jars here is I actually had one a jar completely break and burst in the Instapot. So that sucks because I just wasted a whole pint. I have all my caps on. These are turning out so cute. I'm so happy with how these are turning out. They're so cute. And then you put the little shrink wrap thing on, and I believe the blow dryer should do it. So let's just see. Okay, well, it's taking forever and it's barely shrunk on there. You think this would work? Cute. There we go. Okay, so this is what they ended up looking like. I definitely recommend getting like a hotter heat gun because the flame would kind of make, let me see if I can give an example. Just kind of made it like uneven looking on the sides, I guess you could say, and I would get like little holes in them. But I'm really happy with how this turned out. I was gonna put like little cute little Christmas tags, but I don't like how they look, so eventually I'll do little like labels on them that say vanilla. But yeah, so I got 12 Christmas gifts to give away, and I'm just really happy with how these turned out. These turn out so cute. I'll leave links for these bottles below if you are interested in doing them. I think this is a really fun idea. These are little 5-ounce containers, so it's perfect size for vanilla, and it's ready to use now, or they can keep it in their cupboard and it has the vanilla beans and it'll just keep getting better. So I am curious on which one, the vanilla that's been sitting in my cupboard for over a year is stronger, or the one that I've cooked today. So I'm kind of gonna see if I can. So I cooked this one yesterday, and this one has been sitting in my cupboard. So this one's definitely darker, but really close. That one definitely smells like strong vanilla. So let's see what this one smells like. I think this one smells less alcohol-y, so I think it's definitely more vanilla, but this is awesome if you can still make it and have it ready to use in an hour, basically. Well, cool time. But so I'm actually just gonna decant this into this one, and that way this keeps just getting stronger. And yeah, so thank you guys for following along on my vanilla adventure. This is a great Christmas gift idea. I'll leave the link for the vanilla beans as well. Let me know if you guys end up doing something like this, or leave a comment of what homemade gifts you're doing this year for Christmas. So I'm excited to hear what you guys are doing, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.